Okay, all right. So welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video, I'm going to show how you can solve signal or satellite exchange or TP exchange, how you can put it. So if I talk of satellite or TP exchange, I mean trying to install a particular TP on a particular satellite, having some group of channels, but after getting a stable signal, let's say you got 60%, 70%, a stable signal, tightening the dish up, finishing everything by scanning, and you are getting a different group of channels. But you are getting a stable signal with a TP that you have been using, and then you trust this TP to get you these particular channels. So this is how you should solve this problem. This normally happens if you are in West Africa. It normally happens when you are installing multi-TV and then my TV Africa. But most other channels or satellite too used to exchange or interchange as they used to do. So that's how you should solve this problem. Since most of the satellite that you will pick have the TP or a stable signal at where you position the satellite dish, although you are using a different TP or the TP far from which you intend or which will get you that signal, but there is a TP in that satellite that you have selected that is receiving a signal from where you have positioned the dish. Okay, so to solve this problem, it's very simple. All you got to know that after getting a stable signal using the TP, that should have gotten you the channels that you were looking for, and then getting a different channel, you should know that the problem is coming from the satellite dish. The satellite dish position have changed from its normal position, whereby you should have been getting you those group of channels. Okay, so let's say you are to install multi-TV. This used to happen between multi-TV and then my TV Africa. Most often my TV, multi-TV. So with a multi-TV is below my TV signal. My TV is on the 26 degrees, multi-TV is on the 28 degrees. So it normally used to exchange. If you don't know what you are doing, you used to exchange, and then you'll be wondering how you should fix this problem. So let's say multi-TV is at this position. A stable signal of multi-TV should be at this position, and then my TV stable signal should be somewhere here. That's the 10804 horizontal 30K, 30,000. Okay, so my TV should be somewhere here. I mean on the east. Okay, so to be somewhere like this. Okay, so somewhere here. So after getting a stable signal with a multi-TV TP, which is a 12525 vertical 30K, at this position, you should know that, and then scanning and getting a different channel, that's the French channel, you should know that the multi-TV position or where you have positioned the dish is far away from where it should be. So the only way to solve this problem is to mark the position whereby you are getting the stable signal at the moment, or you are getting those channels at the moment. Mark that position, whether you have a marker, you have any blade or any metal that you can use it to mark that position, and then change, let the TP that you chose remains, use the same TP, change the dish position to a different position, start adjusting it to get a signal at a different position. So after getting a signal at a different position, then that's where it should be. Okay, so let's say you intend to install multi-TV, and then you are using a multi-TV TP, but you are getting those French channels. You should know that the French channels is above the multi-TV signal. So all you got to do is to mark that position and then bring the dish down from that very position that is getting you the French channels. So you mark that position and make sure that you don't go there again. This should be how you should take it to fix any problem like this. Any satellite that you used to mix or any TP that will mix, aside the multi-TV and then the my TV, this is how you should fix this problem. All right, so if you find this video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is to subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and then you come back for more. Thanks for watching. Bless up.